Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use SOCKSHTTP VPN for SSL TLS tunneling. This method ensures secure browsing and faster internet speeds, so stick around till the end to learn how to set it up properly. First, let's download the SOCKSHTTP VPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type SOCKSHTTP VPN and press enter. From the search results, tap on the app and hit install. Wait for the download and installation to complete, then launch the app to reach the home screen.
Next, we need an SSL server. To create one, open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, type SSL tunnel and hit enter. From the results, tap the link that leads to the official SSL tunnel website. Once on the home page, if you're using a mobile device, tap the menu icon, then choose SSL servers. On a desktop, you'll find SSL servers right on the main menu. Now choose any server location by tapping on Choose Location. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create your server. Fill in a username and password of your choice, complete the reCAPTCHA, and tap Create. In a few seconds, your server will be ready. Once the server is created, copy all the server details such as IP address, port, username, and password. Now go back to the SOCKSHTTP VPN app. On the home screen, select the connection method by tapping on SSL Settings. Next, tap the three-line menu to reveal the sidebar, then choose SSH Settings. In this section, enter the IP address, port, username, and password you just copied from the server creation page. Save the settings. If you need to enter an SNI, server name indication, go back to the home screen and tap the pencil icon. Input a valid SNI and tap Save. Now everything is ready. Tap the Start button to connect your VPN. If you want to monitor the connection status, swipe left to view the VPN logs. These logs will help you determine if the connection was successful or not. To confirm your IP address has changed, visit any IP checker website like UDP Custom. If it shows a different IP, your secure tunnel is active and working. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts or questions below, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides like this one. See you in the next video.